Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to make any website feel like a real app, in this tutorial I will show you how to turn any web page into a web app that you can open directly from your home screen just like a native app. Here are the process. Open any app website, go to Safari, and here we will see, for example, this is a website page. Now we will convert it into a web app from your home screen. Tap on share icon, tap on more, and here you will see option add to home screen. Tap on add to home screen. Assign a name, open as web app, turn the toggle button on, and an icon will be added to your home screen so you can quickly access this website. Tap on add from the top right corner. Now you can see a icon will successfully added to your home screen. Now you can easily directly open from your home screen this website as a web app.